Welcome back to another video of Edumate e-learning by Mrityunjay Khare. Today's topic is excretion in animals from the chapter Transportation in Animals and Plants. We have been working on our projects. While making the videos, we don't take much time. So that's why we are late, and because we the previous video was uploaded I think 1 month ago. So let's focus on the topic. So, friends, before going in detail, we should be very clear about the meaning of the word excretion. Oxford Learned Dictionary says excretion is the act of passing solid or liquid waste matter from the body. So now it is clear that excretion is the process through which the wastes are removed from the body. Cells receive food, water, and oxygen for survival, and when cells perform their functions, certain waste products are released. These are toxic in nature, and their removal from body is very necessary. This whole process is performed through a system that is called excretory system. The definition of excretory system is the process of removal of wastes produced in the cells of living organisms is called excretion. The parts of involved in excretion form the excretory system. So, friends, this is excretory system in general. Excretory is excretion in animals, but in this chapter we are concerned with excretion in human being. We will discuss the excretory system in humans. Kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra form the excretory system. So we came to know that kidney, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra form the excretory system, and are the body parts which work together as the system, and it is called excretory system. But how this is done? Friends, the wastes which are present in the blood has to be removed from the body. So a proper mechanism is required for this purpose. Have a look over the whole process of excretory system. Excretory system mechanism. Removal of waste from blood is done through a process of blood filtration. Blood filtration is done by the blood capillaries in the kidneys. It contains both useful and harmful substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood. The waste dissolved in the water are removed as urine. The urine goes into the urinary bladder through a tube like ureters. Urine is stored in urinary bladder and is passed out through urinary bladder. Urinary opening at the end of the muscular tube called urethra. So this is the process and function details of excretory system in humans. Now some facts about the urine. Quantity of urine. An adult and a healthy human being normally passes about 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. Composition of urine. Urine contains 95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% other waste products. The major excretory product in humans is urea. There is a reference and question in our book that whether other animals also urinate. Friends, nature made some arrangements and adaptations in different animals. Removal of chemical waste from the body of animals depends on the availability of water. Some land animals like bird, lizards, and snakes excrete a semi-solid white-colored compound, uric acid. Now, what is sweat and sweating? Sweating is a natural process that your body uses to cool itself down. Sweat is released through the sweat glands on your skin, and then evaporated into the air, which provides the effect of cooling down your skin. Sweat mainly contains water and salt. White patches are formed on our clothes during sweating. These marks are left by salt present in sweat. Friends, in the whole process of functioning of excretory system, kidney is very important. We can understand that the role of and importance of kidneys are by some facts that are if any person's kidney stop working due to injury and infection, it is known as kidney failure. Because of kidney failure, waste products start accumulating in blood. Such person cannot survive unless his or her blood is filtrated periodically through an artificial kidney, or you can say a machine. This process is called dialysis. So kidney is very important part of our body. So friends, this is all about the excretion in animals and excretory system in humans. I hope you like. I hope you like the video. If so, please like to the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, you can write me without any hesitation. I will try to solve your doubts at edumateelearning@gmail.com. Sorry, don't have any captions of that email, but will be that the email ID will be sent on the comment section. So my new video will be regarding the transportation of substances in plants. So please like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell. Till then, bye bye and see you soon.